Hello guys again, and today is about gardening, and this is the FLORABEST Cordless Grass and Shrub Trimmer model FGS 3.6 B2. We have a own technology, no memory effects, Cordless Grass and Shrub Trimmer with a click system for easily charging the blade. 2-in-1 for tidy lawn edges and shrubs with a perfect shape. Easy to operate trimmer with powerful lithium battery 3.6 and 1500 mAh. 3 years of course of warranty. Okay, and let's see what we have inside. Inside we're going to see the manuals, of course. If you want to read it, it's your choice. This is the main unit. This is the cutter. This is the big cutter. And of course the charger, 6 volts, 0.6 amperes. Okay. Let's see what we have. And here's the lovely lock and lock. This is rotation. 80 decibel, and let's install one of them. This is a release button, and lock it again. Oh, and this is some kind of security. Okay. Don't put your fingers inside. Very nice. Very lovely and small too for gardening. Just love it. Rechargeable, what else you need it. Here you can charge it. Security, if you push it and unplug it, it's not going on. And then again, it's going. Well guys, that was all. Definitely I'm going to try it when I'm going to my garden and see how it works. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my videos, your choice. Hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss any videos from me. Have a lovely, nice day. Bye bye.